Hello guys, good morning, welcome to BitcoinMF. Quick TA update of the day, the way I see the market. I remind you, this is not financial advice, so make sure you do your own research and let's dive right into it. So like always, the daily basic chart. I watched the levels and the candles, and yesterday, if you saw the video, I talked about this line as resistance and support, and I wanted to see if market corrects itself, and one can argue and say it went up, and I say okay, it went up after it went also down. So in my opinion, everything is according to plan yet, and today we get another green candle, but this candle didn't break this level yet. And we also have low volume here, so I watch this to see if it somehow can surprise us even more, and break this level. And if it closes here and above this level and above 9,400, I want to see if bulls are strong enough to go even more up to this area, and even the 10k area maybe. Okay, this is the bull scenario in my opinion, because first we need to break this line and close above it in my opinion, and if we're not gonna do this, so there will be no extra big bull move. Okay, we first must close above this line, and even a little bit higher, I think 9,400. What is still possible in my opinion today, of course, because this is the crypto market and it's highly manipulative and all this stuff. Okay, I want to see today, like I said, if we go to 9,400, I want to see if it's real or fake. It can also like pop to there, play with us a little bit, trap some traders and dump. Okay, this is also a possibility, a bearish possibility, which I look for, to be honest. And if it closes above this line, of course, and 9,400 also holds, so there is a chance for more up. Okay, this is the bull wise. Okay, and if we do the regular BitcoinMF strategy, the BB bands, and I change to Aikenashi like always, and I add the mimicators. Okay, we can see again after the long signal we have a few days green, and it's cool, everybody is happy. But today again, we need, for the bulls to survive, we need much more volume. We need this MACD to keep printing the positive phase. We need the stochastic RSI keep climbing and not coming down, and we need the RSI printing us a new high. Okay, because right now it is the price is high at a high point, but here the indicator of the RSI is not in a high point. Okay, so this means it's a bearish divergence on the daily, like I said in the previous video, and right now it's like have played out yesterday in my opinion, because we did have a decline, and after in the night today we have a up move. Okay, so this is the daily. If I look at the 4 hours chart, if you follow the server also, I told you that when price was here, I told that in my opinion they could go to collect the stops of this entry. Okay, the last short level, and it did happen. It did break through above this line, and we are now playing on this region. Okay, and this region also today we watch if we leave it or not. Okay, and on the mimicators we can see that we have like a combination, because the RSI is got more headroom on the upside, so it can shoot up according to the RSI. The MACD is also you see this little line here, because it's going up, so it's telling us that it might go more up. Okay, but I more look at the positive here on the histogram, the positive and negative, and if the bear kicks in suddenly, so I want to see a nice negative phase printing out. And the stochastic RSI is showing us that also it's a relative bottom and it can go up, okay? But don't forget this, all three of those are lagging, okay? So all these moves are already where, okay? And the next candle will print something a little bit different. It depends on where it continues to go. If we take the 1 hour, we also can see that we had a drop, okay? It hooked us with the RSI, and now we are going up, okay? But last 2 hours already we have a little bit resistance, and we watch to see what happens, because as long as we hold above this CME, we might close and go break this BB band and break this line, okay? Also here the positive MACD suggests that on the 1 hourly it can happen. It needs the help of the RSI, and much volume buy needs to kick in, because if no volume, so there will be no move up, okay? 30 minutes, same thingy, only here we can see that already this candle is red and this volume is red. So right now actually I'm looking to see if it's actually can catch the red wave and maybe correct itself a little bit before going up. Of course, don't forget I'm still short, so I'm bear biased. It doesn't mean you have to do like me, but this is the way I see the market. I follow it, but I watch the both sides, so it doesn't matter to me, okay? But it does matter profit-wise, okay? But you know what I mean. On the 15 minutes, the scalpers time frame, we can see that also we have the try to break the BB, break the line maybe, and it didn't go so well. It starts to sell off. It tries again, starts to sell off. And right now we are also on this critical point, in my opinion, because again, some say the RSI is a meme. I don't say it's a meme. I don't care what is a meme. I look at the chart and I know what I see. When this goes below 50, there is a strong chance that price will shoot down. If it stays above 50, there is a good chance price will stay here or shoot up, okay? So those were the time frames for today, and all the links are in the description, and if you want you can follow the daily updates and the news and everything. It is free, so check it out. Let's look at one more thing like always. The pivots, okay? This is the regular chart, the 1 hour, okay, like yesterday, but today we get the new pivots on the hourly, and again we get the EMA 21, which is the basically most basic bullish narrative. When the price is above, it's bull. When the price is below, it's bear, okay? And we can see here that it's always playing with us. And like yesterday I said that if this closes below, it can trigger more sell, okay? And we did get a little bit more sell, but with this hammer everything went up, and again we are above the EMA, between the next resistance line, which is pretty high. So it means that if it shoots up, it also can go to this level, so we pay attention. But again, not everything is shiny as it seems always, and you know how it is. We have to be ready, and as I say to you that because this is right now is bull and it can shoot up to here, so also when it goes below and closes below the EMA, it is bear and it can shoot up to here and maybe even to here. But when it will close below the bear, it will already be late and dangerous to go in a short, because you will have to wait for a confirmation of the EMA, so it won't close above the EMA. You will look for it, you know, if you know what I mean. Okay, so this is the hourly pivot regular, and today another thing that I'm sure that you already heard of is this CME talk, CME gaps, and we also discussed about this, and people say it matters, it doesn't matter. Lazy says it matters, okay? In my opinion, it does matters, because we see all the time that gaps are closing, and right now we've got this gap here, you can see it, this gap, okay, right here, and people wait to see if everything is gonna trick everybody and shoot up, or it's gonna close the gap. Okay, I also watch this, and if price starts to violently break down, I immediately know to go and check the CME, because in my opinion it has great weight, and this is what is important to look at today, in my opinion. Okay, so that's it for today. I also posted today this TradingView post, which kind of talked about the same things we talked about in the video, just to put it out on in text also. So if you like, make sure you like, and if you don't like, make sure you like. Those are the two options you've got from my perspective. And that's it. I hope it was helpful, and trade safe, and good luck, and I see you next time. Bye bye.